Are you struggling to get sales on Flipkart? Is your advertising campaign not working? Are you doing very good on Amazon but Flipkart is somewhat not working? Try one of the strategy that I'm going to teach you today is going to get you 15 times ROI. Yes, that's correct. In your advertising campaign, 15 times ROI. I'm going to teach you a transition, a strategy that you can use from all the experience and all the sales that you're getting from Amazon and convert that thing into Flipkart, which will blow up your sales. We tried this strategy and we got 15 times ROI. I'm really excited to share with you over this video. So without further delay, let's get into the content. Alright, so what did we do in Flipkart? This is one of the very good campaigns that we have created for Flipkart. And in order to grow sales on Amazon, what we have understood is देखो buyer तो same है, Amazon हो गया, Flipkart हो गया, Meesho हो गया, kind of थोड़ा सा buyer base तो same है, search results तो same है. हो सकता है कुछ अलग टाइप के buyers हो, मे बी कोई थर्ड टीयर के कंपनीज होगी तो वो मीशो से बाय करती होगी, या तो सेकेंड टीयर से जो लोग आते हैं वो फ्लिपकार्ट पे, टॉप टीयर्स पे जो अमेजोन पे बाय करते हैं. बट मोर और लेस पीपल सर्च सिमिलरली, राइट? टाइप ऑफ बायर्स थोड़े से अलग हो जाते हैं, बट जो सर्चेज होते हैं इट्स ऑलमोस्ट द सेम. सो व्हाट डिड वी डू इन दिस काइंड ऑफ campaign is, you can see right now, this is one of the campaigns that we produced, almost like 10.68 ROI, right? Almost हमने spend किया 12,000 और लाया almost 1,88,000 rupees का sales on Flipkart at a very good CTR, and the ROI is almost 1.5, which is phenomenal, right? So क्या किया हमने, what kind of strategy that we used? So I'll just share with you this strategy right now that we did right now for one of the brands, and it got very good ROI, which is 10.68. So the thing that we did is we created a campaign, okay, and we created a product listing ads. It's called PLA, right? Product listing ads. And then we selected our top performing, top 2-3 ASINs in the same category. So जो भी आपके products है, you can just put it over here. And then something interesting we did was, let me share with you the previous one. Okay, so this campaign, let me try to open this up for you. Okay, so what we did is we ran a CPC campaign. CPC means cost per click campaign, right? So we'll be charged per click, and then we created all the campaign keywords. So what did we do is, जितने भी keywords हमको Amazon पे convert हो रहे थे, जितने भी हमको sales आ रही थी, जितना भी सेल्स हमको Amazon से जनरेट हो रहा था, जो कैंपेन्स हमारे वर्क कर रहे थे, जो कीवर्ड्स बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहे थे, सेल्स आ रही थी, द e-cost वाज वेरी लेस, वी यूज द सेम सेट ऑफ कीवर्ड्स एंड वी क्रिएटेड 2 मैच टाइप्स इन Flipkart यूजिंग द सेम कीवर्ड्स, सेम डेटा दैट वी गॉट फ्रॉम Amazon in phrase and exact match. Same keyword set, created a new campaign on Flipkart, CPC campaign, top performing ASINs, and then only phrase and exact match. And literally we got phenomenal results with this, and you can just see right now, this is just one campaign that I'm showing, one strategy which is generating us almost 10 times the return on investment. Okay, so let me tell you exactly 10 times return on investment means, so our ROAS, so 10 times मतलब अगर आप 1 रुपया डाल रहे हो तो you are getting 10 rupees back. This is what it means, right? So this is how you can even use the same strategy, see what is working on Amazon and use the same thing on Flipkart, and you'll get really good results. You can see it over here, Amazon keyword. Whatever we got from Amazon, we used that keyword and we dumped it on Flipkart. It works very well. Whatever you get from Flipkart, use that same thing and do it on Amazon. You will get the same results. It's just about using your brain and getting the results. Alright, so if you're interested to work with us, there are 2 options that you can do right now. You can actually go to our website, which is advertisingsaga.com over here, and you can see all the services, things that we have done right now, or you can just click on contact us and you can put an email to this. You can also do just fill the form if you want, or second option is go to the link below in the video, and when you click on the link, this kind of calendar will open up. Just choose the time that you really like in the day, click on the button, put your whatever requirements you have right now, fill the entire thing. It's just like takes 2 minutes, and then there will be a Zoom call directly booked on the same day and time, and then our representative will come on the call and see if this is a good fit for you. We will help you take your business to the next level. We'll share with you exactly how we will grow the business. And yeah, that is exactly how it is. I hope the video was full of value, and let me know in the chat right now if you have applied the strategy and what do you think about the strategy. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep selling and keep crushing.